Hi, today we're going to create a button with an image like this. This is a window. You can have this button and there is written something, but it is not a normal text. This is an image it's made with some text, with a font, and with a couple of lines here. Let's see how I did this. So this is all the code, and I created this class image and text, and well, let's call it window instead, because this is the window that shows the button here. Let's also add a command to the button. Okay, just to see that it works. Okay, and so how this works, let me put this like this. Okay, how this works. So we create a window with tk.Tk, gives some geometry here, the width and the height, and then we launch with this title here, window with a button with text slash image. And so then we have this, we launch the window and passing this the window class, passing this root window to it, and then we have the root main loop, and we can also put it here. Okay, so this is just to okay, so we start the class here, and in the class we create a window, give a geometry, give a title, and then we have this width and height that sets just these two parameters here, the width and height of the of the button. And then we have new image. Here we create a new image from scratch, and we So we create a new image and then we prepare it to draw on the image with ImageDraw.Draw, and then we add text. So we draw some text, click on the button with a font that is an ImageFont.truetype arial self height. There is this one here, self font size. Okay. Okay, so okay, let's call it let me call this one sites. So width and sites, and okay, so we add the text, then we add a couple of lines, and then we add then we create a button with an image. So we get this self.im. There is this new image that I created, and Okay, so we divided this one into three classes, one for the window, one for the image, and one for the button. And so we call the window here. When we call the window, it will create a window 400 for 200 with this title, and then it will create a new image in going here and make this instance where it creates a new image here with ImageNew and ImageDraw.Draw. Then we draw some text and some lines, and then we pass this object here to the button, and so the button will have get the root and the image into its two attributes here, and then it will create a temporary image here with ImageTk.PhotoImage. Then it will use this is to not delete image, and so it will give it to here, and then print hello. So that's all, and this is our how we remade this code here to show text button.